Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to change your voice in Discord mobile, you need to use a third-party voice changer application as Discord doesn't have a built-in voice changing feature. So through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to help you set it up. So first you need to download a voice changer apps on your device. So there are a few voice changer app that is compatible with your mobile device. If you are using iOS, you can try to use the voice mode clips or fun call voice changer. But if you are using Android, you can use both of the apps that I mentioned before, and also use the voice changer with effects app. So here I'm going to just download the application first. Let's just go to the Play Store, find the apps that you want. I'm going to go with Fun Call. Let's try to use that. This one. You can just tap on install. Okay, so download and install the app from your device app store. So once you are finished downloading the application, you can just open the voice changer app and then see the available voice effects. Okay, so now the fun calls is finished downloading. Let's just click on open in here, tap on agree. And then allow the permissions. Okay, so now the apps is load. You can just enter your phone number first, and after that you can just choose the voice effects that you want. Don't forget to enable the microphone permissions to get the apps work perfectly. And after that you can set the apps as the default microphone. After that you can just launch the Discord app on your mobile device, and then you can just join a voice channel on just start a voice chat. And after that enable the voice changer. So open the voice changer app and activate the effect that you want. Speak into your microphone and the voice changer will modify your voice in real time while using Discord. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.